Today we will be testing the MDX free PA buy sell confirmation indicator. Before we do, if you have not watched the first videos on the channel and the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. You can find a link down below to sign up for Tradingview. If you use that link, you'll save a little bit of money on your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. If you are interested in a full list of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested along with their win rates, you can sign up for our Patreon. And you will receive a full list of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested. You can find a link to our Patreon down below in the description. We also have a Patreon-only exclusive Discord channel where we will give you a list of winning indicators, a list of winning strategies, post trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing the MDX free PA buy sell confirmation indicator. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 97 different strategies, with 28 of them being winners. The best one so far we're able to achieve an 84% win rate. We've also tested a total of 921 indicators, with 383 of them being winners. The best one so far we're able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. So go back and watch those videos and see what you can get out of those winning indicators. We've also retested in the advanced testing 107 of the winning indicators. 39 of them have been able to maintain the winning status, the best to a 76% win rate. Now, if you are interested in a full list of these indicators and strategies along with their win rates, we've compiled all that information into spreadsheets, which you will get when you become a patron of the channel. And keep in mind that we test most of these indicators and strategies on the Forex and crypto market, but they can be applied to just about any market and time frame universally. Okay, so today we are testing the MDX free PA buy sell confirmation indicator. And you can see it here on screen. And so the source video claims that this is the, I believe it said it was the most accurate buy sell indicator on Tradingview, with something like a 99% win rate. And so, of course, we know what we're going to do here. We're going to put it to the test and see what we can actually get out of this indicator, to see if it is a decent buy sell indicator and to see if it can hold up to the claims in the source video. And so the indicator itself consists of a few different things. We have a line here, kind of like a moving average, if you will. It's also kind of working similar to like a super trend, where you can see it will appear above price action and then it will appear below price action. We have these arrows here, green arrows, and we have some red arrows. And then what we have are these triangles here, red triangles and green triangles. And so if we go into the settings, we can see that the actual buy sell signal itself is when we have a triangle that appears. And so we can go in and turn off the rest of this if we want to make it a little bit easier to see just the specific buy sell signals, which are going to be these diamonds here. Was I calling them triangles? Diamonds is what these are. And so these again are going to be our buy sell signals. And so when we get a green diamond, then that is going to be a signal to go long. When we get a red diamond, that's going to be a signal to go short. And so let's go ahead and get on with the testing and see what we can get out of it. Alright, so the first signal that we pick up is a buy signal. Let me actually go in and move this to, there we go. Let's do that just because these triangles, or not triangles, diamonds, these diamonds here, I do know my shapes. I learned them in elementary school, I assure everyone. And so let's try this again. The diamonds, they are kind of hard to see when they get mixed in with the price action here. So we see that we pick up the green diamond here. It's going to be our first buy signal. And you can see that price rolls over and makes this push to the downside here. And it does stop us out. Unfortunately, we then pick up a sell signal right here. You can see that price pretty much makes an immediate rebound straight up, giving us a buy signal here and stopping us out on that short. Does look like this buy signal does finally get us to our take profit. Yes, it does. All right, let's go ahead and continue on. Alright, we then pick up another sell signal right here. We get the red diamond right there, and we make a little bit of a push to the downside, but then price makes a spike right up here, and that does unfortunately stop us out. So what I'm going to do is just go ahead and fast forward through the rest of the testing. That way things don't get too long, and we'll pick this up when we are at the end of the year. Alright, so that puts us at the end of the testing right there. Before we take a look at what this was able to achieve, if you are looking for a profitable trading strategy, I highly suggest you check out the best strategy that we have tested on the channel here. It was able to achieve an 84% win rate. I'll put a screenshot up of the thumbnail to that video right now. I'll link to it up in the corner, and I'll also link to it at the end of this video with that same thumbnail. Like I said, it is a highly profitable trading strategy. Was able to achieve an 84% win rate. It uses one of our custom indicators that we've developed here on the channel, as well as a Tradingview indicator, and all around it is a wonderful trading strategy. I highly recommend you check that out. And so there is a lot of benefits to becoming a patron of the channel. I highly recommend it. Alright, so let's go ahead and take a look at our indicator here. Let's get the scroll back. Alright, let's go ahead and count it out and see what we have. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So we have 10 trades all together. And we have 1, 2, and 3 winning trades. And so obviously that's not going to meet the 60% criteria that we're looking for. It definitely is not going to have a 99% accuracy, and it is definitely not the best buy sell indicator on Tradingview. And so I mean, I guess most indicators kind of have their goods and their bads, but this one for the most part didn't really do that well kind of overall. You can see that it was giving signals, quite a few right at the bottom, or I guess it could be right at the end of a trend move. And then when it was giving us signals that were accurate, it was doing so when the move was at least more than 50% over. And so definitely was struggling on this one. You can see that the majority of these losing trades are because they gave us a signal literally right as the end of the trend is taking place. And so yeah, all in all, not such a great indicator, not a great buy sell indicator. And so this one is going to go on the no list, and we will move on to the next video from here.